Children, today first I discussed about Mizoram. The tribes in northeast India have an ancient history. When India became independent, the government gave administrative autonomy to the district of Mizo majority areas of the Lusai Hills. Children, on the screen you can see where is Mizoram on Indian map and also the different districts of Mizoram. When the States Reorganization Commission was appointed in 1954, the expectations of the people in this area grew. Mizo leaders started demanding an autonomous Mizo province. In 1959, the territory of Mizoram experienced severe drought. During this famine, Mizo leader Lal Tenga served the people a lot. So children, the government gave administrative autonomy to the Mizo majority of Lusai Hills after independence. Mizo leaders demanded autonomous Mizo province in 1954. And in 1959, the territory of Mizoram experienced severe drought. In 1961, Lal Tenga established an organization called Mizo National Front, that is MNF. He asked the Greater Mizoram, an independent nation carved out of Tripura, Manipur and Mizo majority areas from the Lusai Hills. In March 1966, Mizo National Front announced the emergence of independent Mizoram. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi handled the situation firmly and suppressed the rebellion. When the situation calmed down in 1972, the Mizo majority area was given the status of a union territory. In 1985, Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi had an agreement with the Mizo National Front and Mizoram was given the status of a full-fledged state. Lal Tenga became the Chief Minister of the state. So children, Lal Tenga established Mizo National Front in 1961. He demanded Greater Mizoram, an independent nation carved out of Tripura, Manipur and Mizo majority areas from the Lusai Hills. MNF announced the emergence of independent Mizoram in March 1966. This rebellion was put down by Prime Minister Mrs. Gandhi. Mizoram was given status of Union Territory in 1972 and later of a full-fledged state in 1985 by Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Lal Tenga became the first Chief the Chief Minister of the state. So children, here you have come to know about Mizoram, the problem or the crisis which was there in Mizoram, and also you can come to know that the Mizoram, how the Mizoram was given the status of a full-fledged state. The next one is Nagaland. The Naga tribe in northeast India is known as a martial tribe. The Naga tribe had settled in eastern Himalayas, the Naga Hills, border areas of Assam and Myanmar. In 1946, some educated Naga youth established an organization called Naga National Council, that is NNC. Later, they made a demand for an independent state of Nagaland. They were led by Angami Zapu Fizo. In 1954, the Naga National Council announced the establishment of an independent federation of Nagaland. In 1955, skirmishes happened between local Nagas and the soldiers of the Assam Rifles. Military action was taken to suppress the skirmishes. Several rounds of discussion took place between the central government and the Naga National Council. Central government decided to give the Naga majority territory the status of a union territory. Nagaland was made a full-fledged state on 1st December 1963 by putting together the Naga majority territory and part of Twinsung. So children, Naga tribals known as martial tribe had settled in eastern Himalaya, the Naga Hills and the border areas of Assam and Myanmar. Angami Zapu Fizo and educated Nagas formed Naga National Council, that is NNC, in 1946. They demanded an independent state of Nagaland. NNC announced establishment of an independent federation of Nagaland in 1955. Military action was taken to put down the skirmishes, rebellion. Nagaland was given the status of a union territory in 1956. It became a full-fledged state on 1st December 1963 by putting together the Naga majority territory and part of Twinsung. So children, here I have discussed about the problem in Mizoram, and also you have come to know about Nagaland. In the next part, I will discuss about Assam and Arunachal Pradesh.